And now let's get the blocks. All right, we're gonna place the blocks about shoulder width apart, and we're gonna turn them up to their middle position. Okay, now we're gonna use the blocks to access your back bend in Anjaneyasana. So we're gonna incorporate spinal extension along with the lunge. This is a challenging movement, but it can really help you transition from the crescent lunge into a split. So let's explore. Take your hands on the blocks, walk lightly back. We're gonna enter this from an elevated downward dog, which might not feel so normal for downward dog, but that's okay. Be delicate with the balance. Inhale, send the hips back. Switch your gaze forward, and then inhale, step your right foot forward, and exhale, knee down. You can keep the left toes curled or pointed. I like pointed. And then inhale, lift the chest. Walk your hands back on the blocks, press into the blocks, walking the blocks back to where they're comfortable, and expand your chest. And we'll hold it here for 1. Push into the blocks and push into the legs. 2, sinking a little back. If you want to switch the gaze lightly up to the ceiling, you can. 3, 4, and 5. Inhale, come up, exhale there. Now, you can choose to keep the hands resting on the blocks, or inhale, extend your arms above the head, interlace. Exhale, move little back. Inhale, we bring it up. Exhale, little back. Inhale, we bring it up. Exhale, little back. Inhale, we bring it up. Exhale, lean back and hold. 2, 3, keep reaching. 4, almost there, big reach. 5, hands on the blocks. Stay there for a moment, walk them forward. Curl the left toes under, half splits. Get a little forward bend, closing the left hip. Stay for 2, 3, 4, 5. Press into the shoulders, step back to your elevated downward dog. Now we try the other side. Gaze forward, step your left foot forward, right knee down. Breathe in. And as you exhale, slide the blocks into the position that best supports the movement for you. Lift the chest up, draw the shoulder blades towards each other, and hold. 1, little more back bend. 2, 3, steady. 4, almost there. 5, inhale, let's bring it up. Exhale here. You can use the blocks again, or inhale, lift your arms above the head, reach, interlace your fingers. Exhale, go back. Inhale, bring it up. Exhale, little back. Inhale, we bring it up. Exhale, little back. Inhale, we bring it up. Last one and hold. 1, don't overdo it. 2, 3, reach. 4, 5. Inhale, we bring it up. Exhale, onto the blocks. Press. Come back to your half splits. Roll it back. 2, 3, 4, almost there. 5, press forward, stepping back. Walk forward again. Swing the hips from side to side, like standing windshield wipers. All right, then bend the knees lightly. And forward fold. Stay for 2,